Welcome to another learner's license revision and practice. Let's get started.
Question. When you are involved in an accident, you 1. Must stop your motor vehicle immediately. 2. Must determine the damage to the vehicles. 3. May use a little bit of alcohol for the shock. 4. May refuse to give your name and address to anybody except the police. Select the correct combination. A. 2 and 4 only are correct. B. 1 and 2 only are correct. C. All the above are correct. The correct answer is B. When involved in an accident, it is essential to act responsibly and within the law. You must stop your vehicle immediately to ensure safety and comply with legal requirements. Additionally, you should assess the damage to all vehicles involved. Consuming alcohol, even for shock, is strictly prohibited as it could impair judgment and affect legal investigations. Moreover, you are obligated to provide your name and address to the other parties involved, not just the police. Question. This sign shows that A. You must drive there. B. You can drive there if you wish. C. The area is for motorcar taxes only. The correct answer is A. This sign indicates that you must drive in the lane or direction indicated by the sign, and it applies specifically to motorcars only. This sign is typically placed at the beginning of a road or section of a road. Question. You may cross or enter a public road. A. If the road is clear of traffic for a short distance. B. If the road is clear of traffic for a long distance, and it can be done without obstructing traffic. C. In any manner as long as you use your indicators in time. The correct answer is B. You may cross or enter a public road only if the road is clear of traffic for a long distance, and it can be done without obstructing traffic. This ensures safety for both yourself and other road users by minimizing the risk of accidents. Simply using your indicators is not sufficient. The traffic conditions must allow for a safe maneuver. Question. This sign A. shows you that there is a hospital ahead where you must not make noise. B. No vehicles may drive there because only pedestrians may walk there. C. Prohibits you from using your hooter. The correct answer is C. This sign prohibits the use of hooters or car horns in the area it applies to. It is often placed near sensitive zones such as hospitals, schools, or residential areas where excessive noise can be disruptive. Question. When you want to change lanes and drive from L1 to L2 in this sketch, you must 1. Only change lanes when it is safe to do so. 2. Switch your indicators on in time to show what you are going to do. 3. Use the mirrors of your vehicle to ensure that you know of other traffic. Choose the correct combination. A. Only 1 and 2 are correct. B. All of the above are correct. C. Only 2 and 3 only are correct. The correct answer is B. When changing lanes from L1 to L2, it is essential to follow proper safety procedures to avoid accidents. First, ensure that it is safe to change lanes by checking the road and surrounding traffic. Next, use your vehicle's indicators well in advance to signal your intention to other drivers, giving them time to adjust. Finally, check your mirrors carefully to ensure there are no vehicles in your blind spots or any obstacles that could cause a collision. Therefore, all the above are correct. Question. When you see this sign, A. You may only drive there if you have special permission. B. No vehicles may drive there because only pedestrians may walk there. C. It shows two-way traffic there. The correct answer is A. This is an authorized vehicles prohibited sign. It indicates that access is restricted, and you may only drive in the area if you have special permission. This is often used to regulate entry into areas requiring authorization. Question. If you want to change lanes, you must A. Switch on your indicator and change lanes. B. Give the necessary signal, and after looking for other traffic, change lanes. C. Apply the brakes lightly and then change lanes. The correct answer is B. If you want to change lanes, you must give the necessary signal by using your indicators to show your intention clearly. After signaling, check for other traffic by using your mirrors and blind spots to ensure it is safe to proceed. Question: what does sign show you? 1. You may not turn ahead. 2. You may not turn left there. 3. There is a one-way to the right ahead. Select the correct combination. A. 1 only is correct. B. 2 and 3 only are correct. C. 1 and 3 only are correct. The correct answer is A. This is a left turn ahead prohibited sign, specifically prohibiting vehicles from turning left at an intersection where the sign is displayed. Question: you may not drive into an intersection when A. The robot traffic signal is yellow and you are already in the intersection. B. The vehicle in front of you wants to turn right and the road is wide enough to pass on the left-hand side. C. There is not enough space in the intersection to turn right without blocking other traffic. The correct answer is C. You may not drive into an intersection when there's not enough space in the intersection to turn right without blocking other traffic. This rule ensures that intersections remain clear and traffic flow is not obstructed, preventing unnecessary congestion or accidents. Always assess the available space and ensure it is safe and permissible to enter an intersection before proceeding. Question: this sign forbids A. Minibuses to drive past this sign. B. All motor vehicles to drive past this sign. C. Minibuses to pick up passengers. The correct answer is A. This sign is a minibus's prohibited sign and forbids minibuses to drive past this sign. It is displayed on any public road, lane, path, or area to indicate to the driver of a minibus not to enter or pass the area marked by this sign. Question: the legal speed at which you can drive. A. Is always 120 km per hour outside town or cities. B. Can be determined by yourself if you look at the number of lanes. C. Is shown by appropriate signs next to the road. The correct answer is C. The legal speed at which you can drive is determined by appropriate speed limit signs displayed next to the road. These signs clearly indicate the maximum allowable speed for that specific section of the road. Question: this sign shows you that A. You must use that part of the road. B. You can use that part of the road if you wish. C. There is parking for motor cars there. The correct answer is A. This is a vehicle reservation sign, which indicates that the section of the road is reserved for the type of vehicle shown on the sign. For example, if the sign depicts motor cars, only then motor car drivers are permitted to use that part of the road. Question: if you see that a vehicle wants to overtake, you must 1. Keep to the left as far as possible. 2. Not drive faster. 3. Give hand signals to allow the vehicle to pass safely. Select the correct combination. A. 1 and 2 only are correct. B. All of the above are correct. C. 2 only is correct. The correct answer is A. When you see a vehicle attempting to overtake, you must keep to the left as far as possible to allow the overtaking vehicle enough space to pass safely. Additionally, you should not drive faster, but maintain a steady speed or even slow down to help the other vehicle overtake you smoothly. Hand signals are not needed when overtaking, as it is the responsibility of the overtaking vehicle to follow road rules. Hand signals are generally used for indicating turns or stopping. Question: what does this sign show you? A. You are not allowed to travel faster than 100 km per hour at night. B. If you cannot see more than 100 meters in front of you, switch on your lights. C. Dangerous conditions for the next 100 kilometers. The correct answer is A. This sign indicates a speed limit of 100 kilometers per hour specifically for nighttime driving. Question. The last action that you must take before moving to another lane is to A. Switch on your indicator. B. Check the blind spot. C. Look in the rearview mirror. The correct answer is B. Before moving to another lane, it is crucial to check your blind spot to ensure there are no vehicles or obstacles in your path that you may not see in your mirrors. This is the final action to confirm it is safe to change lanes, preventing accidents or collisions. Question. In this sketch, vehicle B A. Can drive past vehicle A if there are no other vehicles. B. Can drive over the stop line following vehicle A if there are no other vehicles. C. Must stop behind vehicle A, drive nearer if that vehicle has driven off, stop immediately behind the stop line and drive on when it is safe to do so. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Vehicle B must stop behind vehicle A at the stop line, move forward only when vehicle A has driven off, and proceed when it is safe. Question. If you come to a robot or traffic signal and the red light flashes, you must A. Stop and wait for the light to change to green before you go. B. Stop and go only if it is safe to do so. C. Look out for a roadblock as the light shows you a police officer stop. The correct answer is B. When you come to a traffic signal with a flashing red light, you must stop and only go if it is safe to do so.
To access the complete learner's license quiz, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.